Now you're stopping it.
Oh no, I'm videotaping.
What's Aaron eating?
A cricket and white chocolate.
You can like see it through. Oh.
Eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it.
It poked me. Crunchy. I don't even like white chocolate that much. Got like a leg in my mouth.
You look Asian with one squinty eye.
It did leave scales in my mouth.
I told you I still have some in there. Ew.
See that? That's cricket.
You gonna eat a larva?
Oh.
larva?
There's a leg! There's like a little antenna.
What?
There's a little antenna right there.
Oh, I see it.
That's so gross. Oh, I think I'm
The larva's not that bad. As bad as the cricket.
You can like see the legs and stuff through the white chocolate. You can see the body. Look, if you see under it, you can even see the color.
Ew, eat it.
I want to kind of like break it in half and look at it.
What?
Look.
Nasty pants. Eat it.
Just gonna put it back in there. I still have a little antenna on my finger.
Eat it.
It's gonna haunt us in our dreams.
It will.
It'll
eat
come pee on me or jump on me. Remember that one time with the jacket and I was like,
Eat it, eat it, eat it.
It's like dry and crunchy in my mouth. That was really gross.
It's not that bad, you little pansy. Just kidding.
I broke one in half first. So part of the body was sticking out when I chewed into it. And so I got like full body.
I saw a scale on my tongue. Look.
Oh my god, I feel...
Is it?
Yeah. It's black. Like me. That's so gross. Ugh, that was... I'd do it again. But I'd get regular chocolate.
Say bye-bye.